Who says peaches are just for dessert? Peachy ginger chicken is a perfect slow cooker meal any day of the week. I'm starting off by putting a liner in my slow cooker. I love these liners, y'all, because it makes cleanup easy. And I'm going to put my chicken thighs in. I'm adding my onions. And then I'm gonna pause and wash my hands before I move to the next step. I'm gonna start making my sauce for the chicken. I have cut and grated my ginger, and now I'm going to add the peach jam. And then my soy sauce. And of course, y'all know my favorite, garlic. Gonna mix this all up. Now I'm gonna dump the sauce in. And this is a great freezer meal, prep meal. If you don't wanna cook it just right now, you can put it in the freezer bag and freeze it. And then thaw it out the day before. Put your top on and let it cook on low for 3 to 5 hours. After coming home from work, just grab your chicken and serve it over rice and enjoy.